Hello, lofty learners. Today, you are going to be having another session of Fun Learn Explore. Thanks for the overwhelming response in our last video. For that, we've decided to make another one of these fun videos. Also, thank you so much for 100 subscribers and more. So, we hope that you'll enjoy this video. Today, it is spelling part 2. So, these words are 3-letter words that are used every day. So, we have to fill in the question mark between 3 boxes because they are 3-letter words. Are we ready to get thinking? Let's go. Our first word, S-N. Okay, so this is our first one. So, let's see. Remember, in our last video that we learned, if you look at the picture, it'll give you a bigger clue on what the question marked letter is. So, I'll give you some time to figure this out. If you said the letter U, you are correct. So, the spelling of this is S-A-N, sun. So, the picture that's there is a sun. So, yes, if you got that one correct, thumbs up. So, let's move on to the second one. Okay, this one is nice. Let's look at the picture. If you said K, spot on. So, this is a sky, as you can see in the picture, so K is the missing letter. Let's go. And then a question mark. Okie dokie. Look at the picture. If you said X, great work. It is B-O-X, box, as you can see in the picture. Okay, so in the picture, it shows what I think is a zip. So what letter should be at the start of the word? If you said Z, great job. As you can see, that it is Z-I-P, zip. Ah. Ooh. So, this is a hat from what I can see in the picture. And the word says ah. So, I think that the missing letter is T? I don't know. I think that's the letter. What do you guys think? If you said T, great work, because that is the answer. H-A-T, hat. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. This is a T-O. Okay, so in the picture, it shows I'm not quite sure what that is. Do you guys know? We need a letter that can replace the question mark, and that letter has to make sense with the 2 letters in front of it. So, yes, it is a top. You know a spinning top where you spin it and it goes all spinny? Yeah, that's what this is. So, T-O-P, top. Great work, everyone. This next one is okay. So, question mark, et. Question mark, et. So, the picture, I think that looks familiar. Oh, I get it. It's a net. Of course. Silly me. So, if it's a net, what letter makes the N sound? N-et. Oh no, I can't find out the letter. Can you guys help me? Wait, it's N? You're saying it's N? Oh, okay. Is that it? Yes, it is. Wow, you guys are really smart. Let's move on to the next one. P-N. Okay, so the picture, it looks like it shows a pin. Yeah, is that what it is? Yeah? Okay. So, we need a letter that makes the I sound. Say it with me. I. 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 Yes. So what letter could replace that question mark, which makes the I sound? I. If you're finding trouble finding the letter, make sure to think of some words that you can think of which has the I sound. Maybe that will help you find out the letter. If you said I, well done. Wow, you guys are really rocking this. App. So, let's look at the picture, guys. It looks like a location map? Yeah, is that what it is? A map? So, can you all scream to me, what letter makes the M sound? If you said M, good job! Woohoo! Righto, here we go. Next one. So, Okay, so in the picture, I see like a wood kind of thing. Is it wood or is it a log? Okay, so you guys are saying it's a log? We need something that makes the G sound. Okay, so what letter makes the G sound? Oh my god, I really need some help with this. Can you guys help me? If you said the letter G, woohoo! Thumbs up! This word is log. L-O-G. Log. Righto, next one. L-D. L-D. Okay, so in the picture, I'm looking at it so that I can find out the word. In the picture, I can see there's a pot and there's a kind of cap to put on the pot. Do any of you know what that is called? I think it's called a lid. So, I think we did this before. Wait, if it's a l-i-d, oh, we did the I sound before. So what letter makes the I sound? That's right, I. L-I-d, lid. Great. Let's move on to the next one. B-n. Come on, guys. We know this one. Yeah, this is bin. I think we all knew that one, so yeah. Ooh, this one is a rather interesting one. Let's see it. So, a question mark. So, it's like a gap. R. So, something R. So, let's see the picture. I think I want to make you guys do this one by yourself. Because you guys are really rocking this. So I really want to see how you can solve this one on your own. But don't worry, I'll give you some time to figure it out. So, did you guys get it? 'Cause what I got is jar. Yeah, do you guys know a jar? Like where you put cookies and stuff in it? Yeah, this is our word. J-A-R. Jar. So, the missing letter was J. Okay, our next one. So, let's go. Something. Ooh, kind of stuck on this one. Let's work this out together. So, I think I can see a box with toys and a teddy bear. Oh, okay. What do you guys call a teddy bear? I think I'm getting onto something. Oh, I'm cracking onto something. Yeah. Yeah. What letter makes the yeah sound? Yeah. Yeah, it's Y. The missing letter was Y. Yeah. Toy. I think we know this one. Because in the picture I can see a cap. Ooh, but wait, some of us might be confused. Is it a C or a K? So in cap, the letter that makes the K sound is actually C. Okay? So if you either get confused with C or K, it's very important for you to know the spelling of the word. Okay? That's why we're practicing this, right? So the missing letter is C. K, A, P, and then a question mark, D. They're getting harder. Ooh, that looks like a fishing rod. A fishing rod. Does that make you think of something? Yeah, the missing letter is O. So, O is a vowel. So, a vowel has two different sounds. So, O can be sounded as O or O. Yeah? Say the two sounds with me. O and O. So in this case, this is the O. Okay? D. Rod. Yeah? Perfect. So a question mark, k. Question mark, k. There's a little hint in the picture. If you said I, well, that is the missing letter. Ink. If you guys don't know what ink is, something that helps a pen write. Let's move on to the next word. K, E, something. Okay. What is in the picture? Do you guys know? It's a key. It's a key. What do you use a key for again? Right, to open doors. If it's a K, E, what letter is it missing at the end? I wonder. K, E, Y. So, the missing letter is a Y. Woohoo! If you guys got that one, great work. This is our second last one. And by I mean that's a really tasty thing. Okay, I'm going to help you guys out with this one. So, have you ever had a burger before? Yeah, you know the top thing? What is it called? Think of that. If you said a bun, well, that is the word, but the letter is actually U. You see, like O, U is also a vowel. There are two sounds for U, and oo. Say it with me, and oo. So, this word is bun. Okay?
Where the U makes a sound.
Where the U makes the sound. Bun. Okay, this is our last one. Okay, What do you guys eat with your toast every morning? I wonder. If you said jam, great work. This is jam. So the missing letter is A. Great work, everybody. I really hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun Learn Explore. Thank you.